Hi friends, I'm Kelsey and I'm a volunteer at the Children's Creativity Museum in San Francisco. I have a fun engineering project for you today, so let's get into it. Ever since I watched Wallace and Gromit and also Honey, I Shrunk the Kids, I've always been fascinated by the idea of creating this fun, useful machine that's also super unique to what I need. So I'm challenging you to use regular, random things from around your house and transform them into a fun and unique invention for you. Maybe you need a super long fork that steals the spaghetti from your sibling's plate, or maybe you need something that entertains your cat, or maybe you need something that folds your laundry for you. It could be whatever. What you come up with is going to be completely unique to you and your needs, but I'm going to show you what I make and my process. So for materials, what you'll need is, I don't know, you'll be making something completely different from me. The challenge is to only use things from around your house that you already have. So first, you'll need to think about something that could be useful for your everyday life. I'm brainstorming a list of things because that's what's helpful for me, but maybe it's more helpful for you to walk around and get a lay of the land and maybe visually take in what you might need. The brainstorming process varies from person to person. So after brainstorming lots of options, I decided I'm going to make a book page holder. Since I read all the time and I think it would be nice to invent something that makes it easier to hold my book open. Now I'm going to begin my prototyping process. A prototype acts as a planning stage for your inventions. It can be a drawing, or you can build a miniature model, or it can even just be the beginning builds of your invention, but it's a helpful starting point so you can get a better feel for what you need. So for my process, I'm going to draw a rough sketch and label out some features that I think at this point are necessary for my gadget. What I need down the line might completely change from what I anticipate, but it's a nice starting point. Once I've sketched out a rough draft of my creation, I'm going to collect things from around the house that could be helpful, and I probably won't use all of the things I collect, but it's super helpful for me to be able to piece things together and work with physical objects. And as you can see, it takes a whole lot of fiddling. I had to take things apart, I had to add new things, problem solve. It took a while, it wasn't easy, but it was a fun puzzle to figure out. The important thing is to test your invention throughout the entire building process. You want to see how things move and how things hold up and what needs to be replaced. My first tests showed that I had to fortify the hinge portion of my book holder and also use different materials. I first tried to use a spoon, but then I realized that wasn't sturdy enough for my book, so I combined a couple straws so they could hold my book open better. Keep fiddling and keep going. My book page holder ended up working okay after lots of testing and innovating and testing and innovating and rebuilding. And it's not perfect, but I have something I can keep innovating and building upon. And now I also have a better understanding of what I need and what works and what really, really doesn't work. So go forth and happy inventing!